We try to control the number of our mentees because hindi na lang para sa inyo. Medyo selfish kami sa part na to. Because, okay, let's start first with the fact that all of our mentors are actually freelancers. So, yung tinuturo namin sa inyo, ginagawa talaga namin siya as freelancers. Now, I mentioned that, I had to say that because kapag nag-mentor kami, kapag may class kami, after that, yung internship, individual talagang chine-check yan ng mentors. Kapag may kailangang ibigay na feedback, binibigay yung feedback. Kapag may kailangang i-tweak, ipapatweak namin sa inyo yan. Kapag may kailangang baguhin, ipapabago namin. Kapag merong maganda naman yung work, pero may konti pang improvement, alam namin meron pa kaming makukuhang improvement from your output, ipapabago pa namin yon. That's just how we work. And na-mention ko na lahat ng mentors natin ay freelancers din because imagine ilan kayo na students. Let's say for example in a class 20 kayo na mentees. 20 or 30. Tapos isa lang yung mentor nyo. Tapos ilan yung i-check yung output. Example, yung isang class namin, ang homework nun is like mag-search ka ng products. Pagkatapos, ilan yung products na ipapasearch siya, yun, i-check niyang isa-isa yun kung tama. Tapos, pagka nakita niya na may kulang or eto kulang ang output neto, mag-feedback siya na ganon. So, we have to do that to times 20 talaga. So, yun yung isang bagay na tinitingnan namin. And at the same time kasi, yung the way that we rate ourselves as coaches is dependent on the success of our mentees. And kung 100 plus kayo na estudyante sa isang klase, pagkatapos, hindi namin na-check yung work ninyo, basta na lang namin yung binigyan ng certificate, tapos nakita nung in-applyan ninyo na, ito pala galing dito sa mentorship na to, bakit wala pa rin siyang alam? Alam mo yun, yung success namin is, yung produkto namin ng mga mentee is quality talaga. And side note, we want our mentees to be 101% client ready because apart from our agency, we also have tie-ups with other agencies like Amazon, yung mga tumatanggap ng legal VAs, tumatanggap ng medical VAs, tumatanggap ng kung ano-anong klase ng VAs. Yung partnership namin with those VA agencies, nakakakuha sila ng mentee sa amin and they trust yung mentorship program namin na nagpo-produce ng maayos na virtual assistants. So, yung ganong klaseng pride na meron kami, doon kami talaga humuhugot ng ng pride and joy. Ganyan. Mga ganon na katuwaan namin sa mga mentors. I think it's one of the things that makes us different is that we're not just here for the money. Yung money that we're earning out of it, ako personally, yung money that I am getting out of the mentorship, binabalik ko siya sa community because I'm currently giving jobs to other people at yung kinikita ko dito, sila talaga yung kumukuha nun. Minsan nabunado pa ako, but that is okay. Yung mga mentors naman, yung oras na dinededicate nila just to create yung program as a whole, that alone is I think parang dun palang underpaid na sila. Kasi sobrang pinaghahandaan nila yung mga mentorship classes nila. Let's talk about yung pinag-komenta nito ni Carl na video. It's actually about Amazon Virtual Assistants na level 3, which means may internship na siyang kasama at 999 pesos lang siya. If you guys wanna enroll, click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. If hindi gumana yan guys, i-copy and paste nyo na lang sa browser or you can also try checking my Instagram. Ito naman siya. If hindi gumana yung TikTok at Instagram, punta na lang kayo sa Facebook ko, hanapin nyo tong video na to at yung mismong form for Amazon Level 3, ilalagay ko na lang doon sa caption. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box. So, pag-click nyo ng link sa bio ko, it will open this page. Andito lahat ng free resources din guys sa upcoming events, paano order ng t-shirt and all that. But we are looking for open classes. Tapos, i-click nyo Amazon, nasa na yun? 999 Amazon Level 3. Pag-click nyo nung link na yan, it will take you to the Google form. So, nandun na lahat ng kailangan nyo malaman about the class, yung pinakang course outline, yung next schedule. I think na-move to ng January kasi speaking of your mentors being freelancers, napuno yata bigla yung schedule ni then for the month of December. Kasi ang hirap mag-schedule ng December holiday kasi. So, na-move na to January class. I think first or second week to. First weekend yata. Basta i-check nyo na lang yung schedule kasi alam ko lahat ng classes namin for January ay nasa first at second week lang ng January because team building kami ng third week. And doon din mangyayari yung freelancing plus content creation workshop sa Cebu. Anyway, I hope this answered your question. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!